That's a lot of damage.
What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be testing a real-life Captain America shield. Let's get into it. To make this shield, the first thing I did was I bought a metal sled off Amazon. Then I cut the edges off with a jigsaw. And after that, I used an angle grinder to grind off all the paint. And the next step was for me to weld on the brackets so that I could put on the straps to make it completely movie accurate. And with those straps in place, I then went to paint the shield. It was actually pretty difficult. I had to drill a hole in the center and use a string and a nail. That way I could draw out perfect circles. And then I taped it off and painted it. And then finally, the star in the center is actually a separate piece of aluminum that I cut out as well. And I etched some design in there as well, just to spice it up a little bit. So yeah, that's how I made the shield.
Alright, right now, we're gonna try slicing a banana, the Captain America shield.
That was actually pretty good.
That's a lot of damage. Here we got a large orange. It's actually a grapefruit. I would say that sliced up pretty good. Alright, once again we got the trusty apple. Look at this. I don't even think I'm gonna need a knife after this. Alright, now we're just doing a can of Rockstar. Alright, here's what happened to the can. Dude, stuff's trash for your body. Looks like the shield's actually rough around all the edges because I kind of sliced up my hand using it.